everybody, it's Sandra from Sandra Simply Today. In today's video, I am going to be refurbishing my sister's nightstand. We're going to take this nightstand that you see right now from old school to new school vintage. Initially, she wanted to leave it brown, but after many conversations, I convinced her just to let me paint it, and then we could leave the top brown. So you'll see later on that is what we did, and it turned out absolutely gorgeous. I wanted it to be a deep color, and then I love a stained top. So that's what you will be seeing, and like I said, it's absolutely gorgeous. So I think you'll like it towards the end. So here you're just seeing that this is just the first set of primer that I put on. I think I only put on one coat if I'm not mistaken. Of course, to the whole nightstand. And here I'm just cleaning it and getting ready for the paint. The first coat of paint anyway. I had to do several coats of this paint because I just wasn't getting that deep color that I wanted. And the color that I chose was this Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Ultra Cover, as you can see on the screen, in a gloss and navy blue. And the blue is gorgeous, but as you can see here, it's not exactly the blue that I wanted. Oh my goodness, guys. I was like so hesitant. I almost completely gave up until I put on the second coat. And once I put on the second coat, I began to see, this is looking much better, but the third coat is what really did it. So after the third coat, I could really see that this nightstand was going to be the color that I initially wanted. And this is almost the final product here. The color is the deep navy blue that I wanted, but I did not like the top at all. So I completely redid that. And then I had some equipment issues. So here, take a listen. Okay guys, so my little Black & Decker sander that I've had probably close to 10 years has died on me. So while I was at Walmart, I picked up this very cheap sander, Hyper Tough 1.5 amp for $20. So we're gonna see how it goes. This is not a long-term solution. I will have to get a better sander in the very near future, but for now, so I can finish this nightstand, this is what it's gonna do. This is it. So let's go. So I am sanding, as you can see, and you really need to make sure that you go with the grain of the wood, and you're seeing a few seconds here, like right here, that is not going with the grain of the wood. And my mistake was sanding from side to side when the wood went, if this makes sense, like from left to right. So that didn't last long, but I did notice that there were, like, to me, looked like scratches in the wood. But thank God it was covered up with the stain. But still, you just want to make sure that you go with the wood grain. So this is just more of me sanding. I didn't want to show the very end because this took a long time, and I used a 60 grit sandpaper. But as you can see, the final product is gorgeous. That deep navy blue, and I used her original hardware. I just spray painted it gold. I loved it, and I love the way the top turned out. I wanted the center part to be darker and the outer parts of the top to be just a little bit lighter, just to give it some contrast. But it's wonderful. So, but follow me on Instagram to see my sister's reaction. Thank you, Charlotte, and thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.